I want to show you one way that I'm doing this placement for the radiator. Now when I built my shed, I bought a bunch of this 1-inch thick foam Radco Green Guard thickness. I don't know what it is. It's just pink foam crap. Anyway, it's really light. It's really cheap. It's really malleable, and it will work great for a stand or a platform for the radiator in my bike. Now this here is a piece I cut out. This is the front of the radiator right here. This is, let me pull this off. This right here fits on the front of the bike right here, and these are where the sides of the front panel go. And what I'm trying to do is take this radiator, which is larger than the other radiator that I have, and I want to get it under cover so that the panel fits perfectly on top and secure it in here. So I'll show you the advantage of doing this. First of all, I got the piece where I wanted it, and you can see the two little just holes right there. Now remember, if this doesn't work out, I'll throw it away and buy another. I'll get another piece. But it's going to fit just like this in the front of the bike where I want it. Now if this is too short, I'll add some more pieces. If these corners don't work correctly, I'll just take a little saw and cut them. It's just foam. Once I get this in where I want it, I will take some 3M spray glue and I'll either glue this to the bottom of the piece, or I will turn this around. I'll show you here. This is the back. I will build an enclosure out of this or this foam that will go down to here, over to here, and be an air dam where the air can go through. What I'm doing is getting this radiator positioned under the cover so that my hole in the cover will be right in the center here. It'll be centered side to side and up to down. Okay, this will be a different problem because I'm going to have to cut the body panels to make that work, but I'm not worried about that. Once I get this piece in where I want it, I can actually leave it like this. I can glue the pieces in. I can take the pieces and throw them away and restart. They're really cheap. If you go to Home Depot, now that's where I bought this, you go back in the insulation section, you can get this stuff, which is, this is 1 inch thick. I think you can get it up to like 3 inches thick. And they have a special glue that you can use to glue it, but you really don't need to do it. It comes in a caulking tube. Once I find it where I want this, I can actually build a dam here around the front, and I can glue the piece right to here and up to here and up to here and have it custom built where when the air comes through the front air dam, it doesn't go side to side or up over the top. It will go right through. Now that's the custom work that I like to do. I may even have enough room, and I don't know this, but in order to place the fan in the back here without the front sticking too far out to where the cover won't fit. The cover has to fit. It has to fit perfectly. You can't have, if you're going to build a nice bike and you want to be a man of the streets and have people come over and, you know, and show you respect and give you the thumbs up sign, you got to do the job right. You don't have to do it perfect, but you can't be too desperate looking and make it look Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse is throwing a bunch of shit together and saying, hey, look what I got, and guys are just looking and going, you know, it's just like that guy in the Offspring video. You're trying too hard. He's got 13 on his chest or backwards or something like that. So tomorrow, because it's dark out here, I will place this in, get it exactly where I want it. I'll hook up my blue hose to the, this goes down to the pump. This is from the pump, and I'll put everything on it. If the foam right here is too wide or too long or whatever, this template, I'll just cut a new piece. And I'll use a 3M glue, and I'll show you the 3M glue. 3M glue is the best spray glue in the world. It comes in two varieties, either a red can or green can. The red can is normal, the green can is super strong. When you go and spray the 3M glue, what it does is it goes on very cold. As it warms up, it will stick like a bitch. So it's great. But once I get the radiator inside the bike and basically hooked up where I want it, then I can start the bike and start playing with that. And I really have to get that done, but it's been 105 degrees here, and I've just had a headache for days, and now I'm going to, it's going to be 85 tomorrow. Another thing is that I have these 4 little grommets on the bottom 2 things here and the top. I may take these 2 grommets off and put another piece of foam on the top. It's kind of like a hardboard foam. But anyway, this is one way that you can do it and put it in the Elite, which is a cheap way. It's easy to adapt. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. And we carry on, and that dog will not shut up. I hate dogs that bark like forever. All right.